Hello YouTube, this is Faith again, and I am here with another unboxing. This time I bought an inspired Birkin purse from a company called Cherish Kiss. I bought this purse through Amazon, and I've always loved the look of the Birkin purse, but as of right now, I don't have $10,000 or more to get one. So I figured this would be the next best thing. I read the reviews online for this purse, and it seems to get a lot of good reviews. So that is why I chose this particular company. If you go on Amazon, there's a lot of different sellers that have the Birkin inspired purses as well as the Kelly inspired purses. Cherish Kiss is one. Anifil is another one. They're the company that I bought my Chanel inspired purse from. There's just a lot of them out there, so I would encourage you, if you're interested in a purse with the Birkin silhouette, to go on Amazon. Just look at the different reviews and pictures for the different purses. A lot of the different purses have pictures and the reviews that users have taken, so I found that to be very helpful as well. Also on YouTube, there's tons of reviews for the Anifil inspired Birkin purse, Cherish Kiss. Teddy Blake is another one. They're a little bit more expensive and they are not sold on Amazon, but if you look around, you can find a lot of different reviews. So I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. This is the dust bag that it came in. It says Cherish Kiss, and I got my bag in black. It is the 30 centimeter bag, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty soft. I like it. It's pebbled leather, which is great, I think, for everyday use, and that's exactly what I wanted, just to kind of like test this out. This is a 30 centimeter. Honestly, I probably should have gotten a slightly bigger size, maybe the 35, but that'll be for a different time. But so far, I like this purse. Oh, it comes with two scarves that you can wrap around the handles, so that's pretty cool, and I like that. Just taking off that plastic. The inside, it's the same material as the outside, so it looks like it's just more pebbled leather. I thought I read online that the lining was synthetic, but it feels pretty much the same as it does on the outside. So this is just more, I guess, tags from the company. This has a handle, a crossbody handle, which, of course, the original Birkin does not have. So I'm sure this will be very useful, you know, if this bag is kind of heavy and you don't want to carry it, you know, using the top handles like this, because I'm sure with it being leather, it can get pretty heavy pretty fast. So they have plastic on the metal, which is actually great. Here's the lock. It's kind of big. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the lock on it or not. Okay. And here is the tag for the key. It looks like I have to attach it myself. I'll figure out how to do that later. But yeah. And that's pretty much that. Let's see. Of course, as with the original Birkin, you can put this in or take it out. I'm just gonna slide that in like that. And that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you the bottom. There's some tape on the feet, but it does have 4 feet. So again, I'm sure that's very useful. Looks like some of the glazing is slight. I mean, it's not major, but some of it peeled off just a little bit just now. Nothing major. The bag has a nice smell. It smells like leather. It doesn't have like a chemical smell, so that's great. One thing that I'm noticing with this bag is that the corners are kind of rounded and smooth. I have not had any experience with an authentic Birkin, so I don't know if that's what an authentic Birkin would look like on the corners. But if you can see that, see how the corners are smooth like that? I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that way or not, but that's what it's looking like right now. Here's the glazing. It's a little bit thick, but it's not bad looking. So everything looks okay on this bag. For the most part, it's a little nick right there, but it's not a big deal. The stitching looks fine to me. The bag feels soft to me. It does have like 2 inside pouches, so there's like one big pouch that's open that I guess you could put like your phone in. There's one pouch that zips up, so I'm assuming you could put something like your wallet in it, although it's not very big. Actually, the pouch that doesn't zip is bigger. Yeah, so it looks great. Again, I wish I had gotten a bigger size, but that's my fault, not Cherished Kisses. But this is what it looks like. I think it's very stylish. I'm gonna take it to work with me and carry it and see how I like it. If I do like it in general and I just find that I don't have enough space in it, I'll get, you know, either a 35 centimeter or a 40 centimeter just to have more space. But I love the silhouette of this bag. Not really feeling the handle right here. I don't know. I don't think that's the best stitching, and it doesn't look that great to me, to be honest. This bag cost, if I'm not mistaken, this bag cost, I want to say it was like $109. So different sellers have slightly different prices. I think Anifa was like $119. So again, just shop around on Amazon, read the reviews, see what people say about the different bags. I think for the money, it's a pretty good bag. So yeah, I guess I will have more thoughts about this bag when I'm able to carry it around for a bit. But I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this one or see other videos on my channel, please subscribe. So thank you for watching, and bye-bye.